this is Kelley Hobart from Alpaca Direct, and I'm here talking about a reverse stockinette stitch bobble. And a lot of bobbles are used, they're used in decorating your knitwear, or you can also do them in crochet too, I believe. And the thing about bobbles is there are a lot of bobbles out there that either lean to the left at the top or lean to the right at the top. And so I wanted to show you how I do my bobbles so that they're centered. So when I do a bobble, I go ahead and knit, yarn over, knit, yarn over, knit. Then I turn my work, and it's reverse stockinette, so the purl bumps will be facing towards the right hand side of your work. So this side is a knit 5, then you turn your work and you purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn your work, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2 together, and I'm snugging up that knit 2 together to make it tighter. And this knit 2 together, when I get done with it, I'll snug that one up too. Now right here is where mine is different. Normally you would complete it by decreasing back down to 1 stitch, and you would do that by purling 3 together, but that's going to be leaving you a decrease that leans. So what I like to do is I transfer these two of the stitches over to my right hand needle, do like a bind off, then I stick this is my center stitch of the bobble. I would place my working yarn in the back and go ahead and bind off this last stitch of the 3 stitches. Now I have my bobble, and you gotta flip it so that the purl bumps are showing. That's why they call it a reverse stockinette stitch bobble. And that is what your bobble looks like. So let me go ahead and knit a little bit. The next couple stitches after that, snug it really tight, because the thing is with these bobbles, if you look on the back side, if this hole in the back is too big, your bobble will slip through the back. So you need to snug it up now, and then when you come back on your purl row after you've done all your bobbles, you want to snug it up again, and that kind of closes your hole of your bobbles and keeps the bobbles from popping through the back. So that is how I do my reverse stockinette stitch bobbles, and they have a centered decrease to keep your bobble from leaning.